Bengalembu level nani later.
Ngifuna utesta kaloku i-view yami ndizoba right na. Yeah, ndizoba right xa ndilapho. Kaloku andithi ndizozirekhoda ngo ndizokwenza i-intro. Kha ndithesta ngawo.
Cha ndiyitest. Naza perfume zitestwa ngasesho.
Hayi awunuke kamnandi ke nokho. Okay uqubile, thank you. Siyabulela. Siyabulela.
What and what?
Hello OG Squad, how are you guys doing? I'm doing good. Welcome to the start of a new vlog. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing before you leave. And if you're a returning subscriber and OG gang, OG Squad, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. I'm trying to come closer so that you guys can hear me because I'm good. So it's not to say bandenza, you know, I'm doing it on purpose so that you guys hear voice. Anyway, guys, today is Saturday morning. Right now it's just after 10. I'm not sure, I don't have my other phone here, but it's just after 10. Also I've closed myself in this room because there's noise outside, so I thought let me just do my intro here because I will not be able to do my intro on the road. Because sometimes, you know, when I'm holding the phone like this, you know, and be sure. But anyway, Ube is taking me to a massage. It's a spa date, so we're going for massage. I think we're going to the same place. Oh, I wanted to just apply this on my hands. I think we're going to the same place that we went to the last time, because it closer to us now. And looking at the time, because our session is at 11 o'clock and right now it's after 10 o'clock and just a few minutes after 10, because I'm doing when I was coming to set up, no, it was 10 o'clock and he's still taking a shower. Now I'm ready. So I prefer ukuba simple because you know that taking off the clothes and you know that whole process. So I'm just wearing this black, it's a long dress, ne? And then I'm just rocking my, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but I don't think you'll see. But anyway, I'm wearing sneakers and this is just me. I've got my, you guys know this bag by now. I'm sure you know this bag by now. So yeah, this is me and the sneakers nazo. I so wish you guys could see them. Anyway, yeah. But anyway, so that's what we are doing today. I'm not sure if ndizokwazi uvlog at last figure pa, you know, because it's the last time we went there, begunini 2024. Did we go? Was it last year, 2024? I think so, ne? So I don't know if, and it was 2024 Jan or Feb. So I'm not sure if roses zichinchile, mhlambe basavumi ku record, I don't know. But anyway, that's what we're doing today. I'll tell you guys which package we did or we went for, because Namanda's the surprise. But again, the surprise so yeah guys, that's what we're doing today. Please do not skip the ads when watching my videos. We are monetized on this channel, so we make money through ads. Hence I keep begging ninga skip ads. And also guys, the subscription to YouTube, it's free. So if I ask you to subscribe, please know that you're not paying a single cent. It's free of charge. And also, if I may ask, just play my videos in Hlawumbi when you're taking a shower, run a playlist. I've got a playlist on this channel, so I'd appreciate if when you've got free or spare time, you can play the 2025, I don't know, is it called 2025 videos? Yeah, but you know, 2025, if you can please play that on your spare time when you're not using your phone, or if you've got a laptop that you use at home, you can just play them, you know. And if you're on Wi-Fi as well, sorry, if you're on Wi-Fi, please do play so that the ads can run and we can make more money and you can buy recording equipment. Then okay, let me get ready to go. Send ready to go down now, you know, just to pack up now, set up and then we go. So this is me, dear son. Simple, simple, simple. But yeah. Supposed to be an hour. Oh, okay. Guys, we are done. By the way, I changed my outfit, Yazi. I ended up wearing this dress. I hope you guys can see. But yeah, I think you guys can see. And I also wore this sandal. Okay, let me show you. Oh, thank you, babe. I ended up wearing this sandal in case you see a change of outfit. So yeah, we've just finished now. We're gonna go get a little human. Guys, yo, being a working mom with no nanny sometimes. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys a little human basimbegepi, but I hope I can show you. Let me see if I can go there before Bamsos. So yeah, we're done now. But we have to go.
Oh.
Hey, Nana. Hey. You were waiting for us and we didn't come. Oh man, we are here now. It's fine. It's fine. Thank you. You finished your pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is that your Spider-Man juice?
Yes, mamas.
Okay, upper man's work. Okay, so guys, as you can see, besim patele pizza and then homemade pizza. What is it homemade? I don't know. You know those ready-made that you buy from the shop? We bought the ready-made from Woolworths, but then we made it at home. I don't know what it's called. Yeah. And then his towel, his toys. Shem bate angahlala linde apha. Masambe ke nana, we are done now. Where's your water bottle? Okay, must I help you pack?
Yeah.
Okay. And there's his phone charging, Shem. Tata, take the phone.
Okay.
Go to Daddy. I'm gonna pack up now. Ne? Sorry.
Maybe that one. Test it out and see what it
What's in the bin? Okay. I'm coming. You're gonna yeah.
Books become plastic.
Wait.
Mama.
No, it's not. Hello guys, a quick one. I'm about to make a quick meal. Ne? I'm gonna make this couscous with chicken. Ne? So, but I'm not gonna cook with you. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna make because I wanna rush to the gym. I wanna catch there's a session that I wanna catch, so I'm gonna try to quickly do this and then I might show you guys the end product if I've got time before I rush out. If not, but anyway, yeah, you know this is what or maybe I'll show you my plate because I know go to pay uzosala apak while mina I'm gone. So because he's not going to the gym today, you're not only human. They're not going to the gym, they're staying behind because abapilanga, they are on medication. Mna ndiphilile so ndizahamba mna ndiyojima because ndiphilile and fresh. So yeah, let me quickly do this and then I'll show you guys. I hope it's not dark again because I'm going light up. Hey guys, I'm done. This is my couscous. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me just try. Okay. I hope you guys can see. Okay, so yeah, my couscous is ready. And now let me just show you the chicken. There we go. My chicken is also done. Oh, okay. Steam. This thing but anyway, that's my chicken. So I just fried my onion. Well, I added spices and then the faga indoni. Okay, there we go. It's clear now. So it was just a very, very quick one because in the adenje oil, spices, onion, then my chicken and my peppers and tomato. And then, so yeah, we're done. I cooked alone. I'm done. Now I'm ready to go to gym.